question for him. Read the question loud. Read the question. I don't have to read to
A mass of 2 kg on a surface, take mu equals to 1 over 2, is connected to a second mass of 4 kg over a frictionless pulley as shown above. If the acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meters per second square, the masses will accelerate by.
Good. Now, they said take mu to be 1 over 2, which is 0.5. The force of friction on this mass is F equals to mu mg. So, mu is what? 1 over 2. Mass is 2 kg. Gravity is 8.9. 2 will cancel 2. The force is what? 9.8 Newton. 9.8 Newton. Now there's a frictionless pulley pulling down, which is 4 kg. So the force acting downward, is mg. Mass is what? 4. Gravity is 9.8. 4 times 9.8. 4 times 9.8.
36 points.
Is what?
36.
40 what? 39 point what? 2. Okay. The force acting downward is 4 kg times 9.8. This is the force acting downward, and this one is the force on this place. So there's a tension on this rope. There's what? A tension on this rope. There's what? A tension on this rope. Take notes. So 2 kg. No. Force on this 2 kg mass plus the tension on this rope is equal to the force on this 4 kg mass. Force on this 4 kg mass, this force on this 2 kg mass. So T is equal to force on this 10 kg mass is 39.2. The force on the small mass, taking it over to the other side, is 9.8. 39.2 minus 9.8. 39.2. 29.4 Newton. Don't forget that force is equals to MA. Are you hearing me? So 29.4, which is the resultant force, is equal to the sum of their masses. M1 plus what? M2 all over what? A. Sum the two masses. 2 plus 4. This 29.4 A. 2 plus 4, 6A is equals to 29.4. Divide both sides by what? 6. 6 going to this is what? 4.9.
4.9.
1.9 meters
Square.
per second square. Thank you. We have two types of force: contact force and force field, right? A typical example of contact force is push and pull, then frictional force. On friction, friction is the force that opposes relative motion. We have static friction or limiting friction and dynamic friction. Static or limiting friction is the maximum force that must be overcome before a body can start to move. Are you hearing me? While kinetic or dynamic friction is the force that must be overcome so that a body can move with uniform speed over another. Laws of solid friction. 1. Friction opposes the relative motion between the two surfaces in contact. It acts in a direction opposite to that of the motion. 2. The force of friction increases to the same extent as the force applied, which tend to start the motion. 3. Frictional force depend on the nature of the two surfaces in contact. Don't forget, it depends on the nature of the two surfaces in contact, the nature of the substance and the condition of the substances, such as rough, smooth, polished, wet or dry. So the nature of the surface affects friction. Friction varies directly with the normal force pressing the surfaces together. That is, it is proportional to the normal force. Don't forget. Advantages of friction. Without friction, we cannot walk freely. We'll be sliding off. Number 2, it enables automobile to firmly grip the roadway and to navigate around a roundabout. 3, friction enables us to sharpen our equipment. 4, it makes nail to fasten on the wall. 5, it enables brake to be applied in a car. It is used for grinding. Frictional force that is between the belt and the wheel helps the machine to roll. Disadvantages of friction. It causes wear and tear. 2, efficiency is reduced because part of the energy is used to overcome friction. 3, heat is generated. And that's why, they use graphite. Graphite is used as lubricant for car engine because it will stand high heat. Take notes. Method of reducing friction. 1 is using lubricant such as graphite, oil, grease, air. Use of ball and roller bearing. Streamlining or body shape of moving objects. These are methods of reducing friction. Thank you.